G'day everyone. I'm just waiting for Reese, the plumber, to come out this morning. I need to take a few measurements and then I'll duck away into town and pick up the cement sheet, and there's quite a bit of stuff I've got to pick up. But he can do his plumbing, Reese can do his plumbing, and I won't be getting in his road. And then he'll be done. Tomorrow morning I'll be able to get into it again and start sheeting. I need a plumber because there's going to be a heated towel, electrician tomorrow. There's going to be a heated towel rail on this wall, and wires put in for the lights. There's going to be 2 mirrors there. The shower is coming out to here, so it's going to be a nice big shower of about 1150 wide shower. 2 pieces of glass, 1 piece here, 1 piece here. You walk through in the middle. A seat is going to be in that corner, and the owner is thinking of a niche here, 1 there, 1 there, maybe 1 here. Which will be fantastic. I'll get a whole sheet of floorboard and I'll just take that up with it. I'll cut through here and replace that whole square. So that's cool. What else have I got to do? Oh, that tap is going to be shifted, and it's going to be in the cistern up here, so it's up out of the road. Yeah, so, and then a barn door on the outside here. So I'll put up a bigger piece of timber, screw it into the steel framing, and that'll carry the weight of the barn door, which is cool. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. It's good that none of this electrical box gets moved. That would be a biggie to move all that. All right, stay tuned. Subscribe to Chriso. We'll see you soon. Ciao.